Tired of manually juggling WhatsApp messages and other apps? Let's bridge the gap and automate your workflows by connecting Aisensy with Pabbly Connect. First, log into your Aisensy account, navigate to the API or Integrations section. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your Aisensy dashboard version here. You'll find your API key and other credentials needed for connection. Keep this page open. You'll need these credentials soon. Now, jump over to your Pabbly Connect dashboard and create a new workflow. Give it a descriptive name, like Aisensy WhatsApp Automation, so you can easily find it later. Click on the Trigger section, search for Aisensy, and select it as your trigger app. This tells Pabbly Connect to listen for specific events happening in your Aisensy account. Choose a trigger event, for example, new message. Pabbly Connect will then provide you with a webhook URL. Copy this URL. Return to your Aisensy account and find the webhook settings. Paste the Pabbly Connect webhook URL into the designated field and save the settings. This step connects Aisensy to Pabbly. Back in Pabbly Connect, configure your action app. This is where you decide what happens when the trigger event occurs. In Aisensy, you could choose to add the new contact to Google Sheets, send an email via Gmail, or many other things. Select your desired app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to Pabbly Connect. Map the data from Aisensy to the fields in your chosen action app. For example, map the sender's phone number to the phone number field in Google Sheets. Test the connection by sending a test message through Aisensy and watch the data flow seamlessly to your other app. Now you have an automated workflow.